How to fix Discord white screen. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today, so without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and for that launch the Play Store application and make sure you have an updated version of the Discord application. So let's search for Discord over here on the search bar. And as you do that, you can see there's no option of update, which means we have the latest version of the application. So we're going to go back to the home screen and launch the settings application. Here, simply tap on the about phone and select the version just to check if you have any update on your software for your device that is available. If not, we're just going to go back. We can uninstall the Discord application and then reinstall, and you can relaunch the application on your device. So this might help you out as well. So thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.